Welcome back to Pokipokids. Welcome to Bluey Jump Battle. Pick which character you think will win. Jump the block to power up your character.
Bluey's learning time. Learn vocabulary with Bluey. Don't forget to guess the quiz. And play more mini games.
Before starting, please subscribe. Pick a side.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Lucky versus Coco.
Oh, yeah, sorry. But how is Nick? No, he has to...
Let's jump. Let's jump. Keepy Uppy time. Touch the balloon. Would you rather?
Gotta give it some of these. I've got it. I'm doing what?
Or probably nothing, I suppose. Maybe I'd just walk through the door instead. Wouldn't be as fun though.
Subscribe for more. Let's jump. Let's jump. Bluey's learning time. Let's grow our vocabulary with Bluey.
Tap a picture starting with the letter T. Melon. Turtle. Well done. Power up the spaceship. Click on all the buttons with the letter T. You did it! T. Tractor. T. R. A. C. T. O. R. Tractor. T. Table. T. A. B. L. E. Table. T. Turtle. T. U. R. T. L. E. Turtle. T. Toys. T. O. S. Toys. Tap a picture starting with the letter T. Utensil. Tomato. Awesome! Tap a picture starting with the letter T. Toilet. Pineapple. Good job! Help Cosmo Panda unload containers with the letter T. Good job! T. Toothbrush. T. O. O. T. H. T-B-R-U-S-H, toothbrush. T, toaster. T-O-A-S-T-E-R, toaster. Put all food packages with the letter T in the basket.
Can you find Chloe in this picture?
Would you rather?
Gotta give it some of these. I've got it. I'm doing what?
Probably nothing, I suppose. Bingo, just walk through the door instead. Wouldn't be as fun, though.
Bandit or Uncle Rad? Subscribe for more Bluey content. Find the difference.
The winner is... Let's dance to celebrate.
Do you want me to do it, Grandad? Is that why Mum wants you to rest? So you're fun.
Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.